After getting done sanding, we were getting everything ready to get our first layer of gel coat rolled onto this beautiful 20-foot Sportsman.
Hello, today we have a beautiful 2017 Craftsman 207 Masters. It's equipped with a 115 horsepower Yamaha engine and 3 live wells. It has the Simrad GPS and fish finder. It has anchor locker, and here we have 2 lockers for the fishing poles or fenders or whatnot. Here is the battery, fuses. So anywhere from Venice to Sarasota, there's all the fishing locations and spots from years of research and fishing. That's probably worth more than the GPS itself. And we have all the locations there. You can choose multi-screens here. You can split it into like 3, one showing the GPS, one showing the fish finder, and the other one, and the third showing all their gauges, your depth and so on.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to see more interesting builds like these.